Hello everyone, welcome to my channel e-Erudition. Lesson 1 Vocabulary Building Speaking Module Part 2. Let's begin. Let's see the cue card. Main question is describe a businessman you admire, and the pointers given are who the person is, how you know this person, what kind of business this person is involved in. Let's start with the explanation. First pointer, who the person is. Band 8 explanation is like, I would like to talk about Mukesh Ambani. Rather, we should speak the person I admire the most is a Mukesh Ambani. Next, he is honest and responsible in business. If you improve your bands, you should rather say he is a paragon of integrity in the corporate world. Next, talking about his nationality. His nationality is in India, but he has gained popularity worldwide. That will give you 6 bands. If you want to score 8 bands, you need to speak. Despite being Indian by nationality, he has established himself as globally recognized business magnate. Next, how you know this person? Band 6 explanation is he is a philanthropist. He leads major charitable initiatives in healthcare, rural transformation, and education, which made him star. So rather than speaking like this, you should speak. He is a renowned philanthropist who leads numerous charitable initiatives in healthcare, rural transformation, and education. His unwavering commitment in improving society has earned him widespread admiration. Again, next, Band 6 explanation. I came to know about him when I was watching news on television. Then I read about him in newspapers. I watched many of his podcasts on social media from where I got inspired from him and considered him as an idol. If you want to score more good bands, so you should speak like I have watched many of his interviews and podcasts on social media where he shares valuable insights on leadership, innovation, and success. His vision and perseverance have greatly inspired me, and I regard him as my role model. So, next, beginning from a small business, he expanded the energy ventures of the company and directed the setup of its largest petroleum refinery at Jamnagar. This will give you 6 bands, only 6 bands. So, if you want to really improve your bands and you want to jump from 6 bands to 8 bands, so rather than speaking like that, beginning from a small business, he expanded the energy ventures of the company. You should say starting from the modest business. So starting from a modest business, he expanded the company's energy ventures and see spearheaded. We have used spearheaded instead of directed. So this kind of vocabulary must be included. So continue with that sentence like and spearheaded the establishment of the world's largest petroleum refinery at Jamnagar. Next, band 6 answer. He is chairman and MD of Reliance Industry. So you need not to stop there if you want to score more. You have to explain, elaborate it more. Like currently, he serves as the chairman and managing director of Reliance Industries, India's largest company. He has expanded his business by leaps and bounds and has been honored with numerous prestigious awards. Next, he is very famous because he is among the richest people in the world. Please explain it more if you want to score good marks, if you want to improve your bands. Like he has risen the prominence through his remarkable business growth and substantial wealth. Today he ranks among the world's wealthiest individuals, 22nd richest in the world, net worth of 191.8 billion US dollars. Next, band 6 explanation again. He's very intelligent and has sharp thinking abilities that lead him to grow his business. Please use different vocabulary if you want to score. Band 8, you have to be superior. He possesses a strong competitive spirit, exceptional intellect, and outstanding cognitive skills, which have established him as a youth icon. So I hope you liked the video. If you like it, then please share. Don't forget to subscribe to the e-Erudition channel and turn on notifications so you never miss the next video. Bye friends, see you in the next video.